Sorry, good morning, good afternoon, Biafrans. I'm coming just a second.
Rise up, fallen fighters. Rise and take your stance again. It's he who fight and run away. Live to fight another day. Put the heat and back day. On the wall, put the heat and back day. On the wall, put the heat and back day. On the wall, put the heat and back day. On the wall. As a man, so shall he reap. And I know that talk is cheap. But the hotter the battle, and the sweeter the victory. To the heat and back day. On the wall, the heat and back day. On the wall, the heat and back day. On the wall, the heat and back day. On the wall. Rise up, fallen fighters. Rise and take your stance again. Is he who fights and run away? Live to fight another day. On the wall, on the wall, with the heat and back day. On the wall, heat and back day. On the wall, heat and back day. On the wall, the 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 heat and back day.
Sorry, I'm coming. Before we move, before we drive today,
Why it was adopted is already happening.
let's hear.
Right move. You must first of all understand why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped in the first place. If you do not understand the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not kidnapped, then you are not supposed to be in the leadership of this movement. So the only reason why he was kidnapped was to end Biafra struggle, and now that thing is happening. So how do you think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released when the reason why he was adopted is already happening, and you are already succumbing to it? You know, I don't understand what is going on. When you talk, they say we are looking here, the case adjourned. You are going to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case adjourned again. Believe me, with what is going on now, you are already dancing to the tone of the government. The government wants the Biafra agitation to end, and because you have given them the green light that you are ending it, and we will not allow it to end. When you give the green light that you are ending the Biafra struggle, they will never ever release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu until they succeed in making sure that you end everything. That was the reason. So what it means now is that it is only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that have the gut to request for Biafra. That is what it means. And if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have told you he have millions of people following him who can be even more dangerous than him, you have proven him wrong. You are proving Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wrong, including proving all those who are on social media saying, you think you're Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, don't worry, you are going to see other people worse than him. You have proven those people and you are proving them wrong, including Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is why he said, I will not disappoint you, or you will disappoint me. It is happening. So my people, I want everybody to meditate on this. First of all, know the reason why he was abducted and kidnapped, and the extraordinary rendition to Nigeria is to stop Biafra struggle.
Okay. Let's hear from our Prime Minister again.
I continue continue to stand. I continue to stand for truth. I continue to stand for justice and fairness, because that is the only time Biafra will come. Biafra can never come under the pretense of lies, propaganda, and impunity. From that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. It depends where you are getting our video from. From me, from here, is good evening. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, lovers of freedom. Thank you, goodwill people. Thank you, men and women. Thank you for our subscribers. Thank you for both new ones that is about to come to subscribe to our channel. I say, may God may God bless every one of you in whatever you are doing in the name of Chukwokikabiam. I said, he said, this morning, this afternoon, this evening, from me, from here is evening. Please, as you are coming in, please do us a favor. Make sure that you subscribe to this very channel. As you are doing this, you are helping us in this channel to grow up this channel so that we can continue to speak the gospel of truth. Because of why we are here is only to propagate the gospel of truth, nothing more, nothing less. Because of what we are doing is something that requires, do you know what Biafra requires? It requires truth and honest. That is the only way that we can able to pass over to the other side. Today, what we are going to do today, our question is today, we want to know what Dr. Ngozi Orabueze is doing for the release, to secure the release of Mazi Simon Ekpa. That is what we are here asking. That is my question for today. Because of a long time, I wasn't around on this. I was around on the social media, but I was busy. But I was watching everything that is going on very closely. I was watching very close. You know, I drop videos. You know, to some of you who is following us in this very platform. That's why it's very imperative that you subscribe to our platform to encourage us to do what we know how to do best. As you are doing that, say, may God bless you. So, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, we are asking, what is she doing to make sure that he secured the release of Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoko? That is our question. Because of I've been watching what is going on for all these months, from Finland to now, what exactly is going on. I'm just observing, and we are taking record and notice and what is going on. And we are seeing what people are talking about. We are seeing what people are complaining about. So on this very issue now, we have to know, because of this, I want to tell you, because of, I started with our Prime Minister. I started with Bob Marley. Did you know why I put the music of Bob Marley? Tell you that because of, it's talking about the freedom fighters. What is exactly happening with freedoms? So now I now come to our Prime Minister. What our Prime Minister, he told you that if you don't know the reason why that Mazi, our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, was kidnapped, if you don't know the reason why, you don't need to be into this struggle. You don't need to be into this movement. Because of, number one, you have to know the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped and the rendition to Nigeria. So if you don't know that, you don't merit to be in this struggle. You don't merit to be in this very movement. Because of what? Because of, if you don't really know all this, because of ndị Igbo si na onye na-amaghị anọghị ebe anọrọ lie ozu asị ya ga-abụ ozu na ọmaghị ebe ọ ga-esi were mee gịnị bọọdụ ozu, o nwere ike osi n'ụkwụ maka ọmaghị ebe isi ende. That is what our Prime Minister is trying to tell you here, that if you don't know why our supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped and renditioned to Nigeria, that zoo country, you will not understand this movement. You are not ready to be in the movement. Why am I saying this? Because of a lot of things have been happening. A lot of things have been going on. You know, I said, no, let me take this little time I have that I have to come up live because of I haven't interrupted with you people for a long time. But today I make it openly so that people can come in here and let us discuss and tell me your opinion. Say your opinion in this very platform. Say what you think that is going on presently in this very movement. Because of with what is going on here in this movement, it looks like something fishy is going on. That is why I said that we have to ask Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, what is she doing to secure the release of our prime minister? Because of we cannot lead this struggle with propagandas and lies. No, we can't live with that. You understand? Because of if you want to live with propagandas and lies, you are playing with the lives of people. You are playing with the lives of millions of people. If you want to stay with propagandas and lies in this very movement, you are playing with the lives of people. You are joking with the lives of men and women and children. Because of that is why we have to say the truth. We have to say the things the way they are without looking whoever that it may concern, without looking what that person may feel. No, because of the only thing is, see, in this very platform, what we have to propagate here is gospel of truth. Nothing more, nothing less. Because of why I was asking myself this very question since Finland Convention, since what happens in Finland, I was asking myself this very question, like what exactly is going on? Why the declaration that was opposed on the 2nd was changed to on 29. I didn't really get clear answer for that. Everybody was here, both people on the social media propaganda, because of people are trying to do what? To favor their own, which is what our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have been saying. This is the part of the problem when you talk about zoo country. This is the problem because of they want their own person, somebody who come to their kitchen. You want to favor somebody who come from your kitchen. But while you see truth, you don't want to call things by their names. You don't want to speak the truth to the power. You don't want to say something in the initial time, but where you are trying to cover something. But you know that truth is something that can last, but lies can never lie. It can never last for a long time. That is what I want you to know. Why am I saying this? Why I'm saying this is because of what happens in Finland on 29th. They were telling us this one happened, the other one, or the other one. They were dropping. A lot of propaganda was going on. But I was keeping quiet and observing to see what exactly that is going on. What is happening? Now, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze changed the date on 29. My question is, if our Prime Minister, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, no, I'm sorry, Mazi Simon Ekpa, which is our PM, Prime Minister, have said that this declaration should be suspended. Okay? So, what is the need of people carrying the declaration on where the PM have said that you suspend this? Because of ndị Igbo tụrụ inu asị na onye yi akpụkpọ ụkwụ, onye yi shoe, onye yi akpụkpọ ụkwụ ma ebe ọ na-afụ ya. Ọ bụ ya nwa nọ n'ime there. Some people na-abịakwa asị na esendere ozi na etukwu send a message si defend your mandate. That mandate must be protected. Amakwa maybe musi nka hansi we be but nka the sure godo, which is coming out from their mouth. Like Mazi Simon Ekpa, the PM, said that this should be suspended, and the people carry on. I want to know, these people that lead by Dr. Ngozi Orabueze that carry on this thing on, what was their plan and what was their target? Where the Prime Minister has said suspend this, They said, yeah, let's go. Let's continue it. Okay, you continue it. Are you continuing it for one favor another? You see, why am I saying this? Continuing it, okay, then continue that. If like they suspended it the way the Prime Minister said in Finland, if they suspended it, in my mind, I know that this katakata of issues wouldn't have come up. This confusion from this person, from the other person wouldn't have come up, on my own opinion, because of if they obey, they respect the Prime Minister and they obey his word and suspend this declaration the way he said. Now everybody will be on their lane, managing what they suppose where they are standing on. Everybody will stand on his own lane, controlling his lane, on my own opinion. Now, they have went to the Finland and declared declaration of the Biafrans and come back. Now, after coming back, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze take his group, those ones are doing their own propaganda. Oge Nkere take his own, they were one side. But after the whole thing, you see there is fight everywhere. So in this very fight now in conclusion, I'm not trying to know why all these things were going on, why these things is going on. I was asking myself this question, why these things is going on. Finally, I asked Madam Onowu, I asked her, I make the call, I asked her direct. I said, Madam Onowu, what are they doing? Why nobody is talking about our Prime Minister, the PM? Why nobody is speaking up about him? Did you know what I got as an answer? The answer I get is Madam Onowu told me that it was on the public. She said that before the Finland self, before the convention in Finland, that Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoku, which is the PM, wasn't in a good time with Ngozi Orabueze. That they wasn't in a good time with Ngozi Orabueze. That was the thing that he said there. He said they were not talking. Okay? That they were not talking before the Finland Convention. So now, they were not talking, and this thing happens to our PM, Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoku. Now, Madam Onowu said again that that our PM have asked Ngozi Orabueze to stop sending the letters that he's sending. You understand? That he should stop sending the letters, that the email that he's sending to Finnish government, that he should stop sending it, that they are stabbing him in his back. This is direct answer that I got from Madam Onowu. She said that. I now say, okay, if him can say something like this, if he can say something like this, so now my question now is, somebody that you and Ngozi Orabueze are not talking. You people are not talking. Now this thing happens to our PM. I don't want to go there, but let's still watching. That is why I'm asking Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, what is she doing to secure the release of Simon Ekpa? Because of this struggle cannot be you cannot use propagandas and lies. You know, why am I saying this? Now somebody will come out on the social media, they will be asking her question. If our people knows this bird, no, depending why they want concrete answer. Because of I have been watching. There was a time Ngozi Orabueze come. Somebody said that he have 10 questions. Who go 247 said no. You have to ask. Is me again? Is that guy name? Is me again? Then give him few questions to ask. And the one question that he asked, the answer that came out from Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, it wasn't enough for him. he wasn't okay with the answer. Now, the same that day, somebody said that he find him communicating with Abaseke brother, who is a governor. And he now said that I am ready. That he said, Ngozi Orabose said that they were discussing about the 40 states. That is talking about how the state and the other states are in their that some people say that the state and the other state are not they are not agreed in the 40 states. They are not agreed in Biafra. Ngozi Orabose said that even that he told the person that he will give the number of the governors who is in the 40 states. How are you going to take a number of an individual, not that the state you are talking about USB, Biafran government. We are talking about United States of Biafra. But United States of Biafra haven't been established on the ground. How can you take a number of somebody and give to a politician at home? What message is that? Will that person come out alive? That's my question. That person then give his number, DSS visit him. Will that person still be breathing by now? Just tell me. A state that is not like we are not ready at home. Oh. You say that you are giving a number of somebody so that he can talk with a politician. What is going on here? That is why there was a question that this Eritrea president on the convention day, he said that something is smelling here. Why the prime minister is not here? That is the question. You say, why the prime minister is not here? That something is smelling here. You understand? But people keep quiet. We keep quiet. We are aside. We are not into the cabinet. But now, people who have been covering this, will I call it impunity? Cover me, I cover you. Who have been covering all these things, I come out. We are outside. I'm not into government. I'm not. I am advocate of Biafran freedom. What I stand for, the freedom of Biafran, freedom of Igbos, Ndi Igbo, Ndebo. Their freedom is what I stand here for. Number one, So now something is happening here. So now this man said that something is smelling here. Okay, let's leave that side. That's something we are smelling. But now something is going on. Now, the other day, I see one outfit they are parading online saying that they are a heavyweight. I don't know heavyweight, what are they? So, I'm now asking this heavyweight duty, Ngozi telling us now that she have launched her own army or she have launched her own security to be fighting the men who were defending the ground. That is what I want to know. Because of these men doing heavy, because of what I am seeing with these men, they are saying they are heavy duty. There was one video I was watching with very, very, very careful. I was watching that video. It was a group of people, and then goes Adan Dorama exposed what really happened. You know that Adan Dorama is inside the cabinet. He knows what is happening. So now he has finally come out and exposed that. That is why I was looking at that. I said, I pity for this guy, Ogenkere. No matter what, people have spoken a lot of lies. People have spoken lies. Accusation on top of accusation upon that guy, Ogenkere. People have led him a lot of accusations. So I was like so pity for him. I was so pity for the guy. When I heard Adan Dorama confessing this impunity that then cover up that Ngozi Orabose and the one then called the defense minister. That guy then called defense minister. From the day one I heard his voice was sounding me like it was sounding me like the same age of for the same people, the eyes of Nigerian government in Biafra struggle. The day I heard the voice of that guy, the day he came out and speak, the same voice with the Ejiofor. I said, you know. So now look at what exactly they did. Okay, look at that video that Adando Oramma showcased on his program. Some people shooting on the people's house, people's property, people's home, calling themselves Biafra Liberation Army where they are not. Just a propaganda. How can somebody who said that he meant good for Mazi Simon Ekpa and Jock, our PM, they'll be doing all this propaganda, they'll be concocting these things. What are they wanna do? What are they gonna use this for? Ndị Igbo, Biafrans, please, let's not take, let's not be saying, because of why I'm saying this is our people should open your eyes, open your spiritual eyes and open your ear. Because of Esewa, let us protect this one. No, what you have to protect is your land. This land that God has given to us, the land of Biafra, the land of Chukwu Okike Abiama. Because of if you do any mistake, this land is going on. I'm telling you, this land is going because of something fishing that is bigger than every one of you. You people doesn't know. Something is underground because of how, with these pictures, with all this propaganda that we are doing. I want you to ask yourself a question: whether you like Adando Oramma, whether you don't like her, whether you like Dr. Ngozo Raposo, whether you don't like her, whether you like Ogen Kedo, whether you don't like her, but open your mind and open your ears. Reason. Bring 1 + 1, bring it together. What Adando Oramma said, Asinanga mwatakiri no n'ebe akwa na-atụ aka ma nne ya nọ dị nna ya nọ ya. Madam Onowu, of an old woman, I don't think that this woman will come and be lying. Because of this woman has been into this movement for a long time. Let me tell you people, Madam Onowu has been into this movement for a long time. They are the member of Umuada in those days. When Umuada, they were out there. They were members. Before it was dissolved by our PM. So a woman like that cannot lie. The old woman like that cannot lie. So now I am asking our people, the earlier you realize this is better for you, wake up now and begin to think and begin to ask some questions. Ask some important questions and begin and stop defending this or defending that. The more you are doing this, your land is going. Where you are saying, oh, I'm defending DPM. Oh, no, what you have to defend is men on the ground, the boots on the ground. Those people are the people who want to defend it. These are the, listen, let me tell you something. Our leader, when I don't want to, you see, Eastern Security Network, that time our leader launched it, I don't want to remember them. These are brave men who come to work, who come to do the God of Chukwu Okike Abiama with all their hearts before Sabah attack. That is why I don't want to talk about them, because of when I remember when I remember Biafrans, brothers and sisters, these men and the women who come to liberate Biafra with honesty, with open mind, that time those Eastern Security Network, when he launched this man, what our leader told us that this is a baby I have given to you people. You people must do what? Fund them. You must fund them. That is what our leader said. That was his word. He said that we must fund Eastern Security Network then. Before DOS issue, when our leader was kidnapped from Kenya and all these things begin to go down. The whole thing was like they spoiled the whole baby that our leader gave to us. Now the PM tried to gather as much as he can do. He gathered men who still believe in that honest and the truth, who still believe in this struggle, who still believe on what they are fighting for, who still believe on the restoration of Biafra, who still believe that this is the only way out. You understand? Now our PM gathered them together. Those ones are the ones together with us. They are the ones together with our PM, working with him hand to hand. Which is, there we have our triple G general, triple G. You know, Igwe Butuso. We have other ones. We have General, we have Commander Holy Ghost. We have Yahoo. You know, we have many of these brave men. We have great of them who still stand on the truth, who didn't deviate to Ebuba or deviate to governors, and who still say, no, this is where we stand, this is where we die. Those men were there. Now, Ngozi Orabueze now want to leave this man who did the great job, who make Musa was crying, to go like that. No, it's impossible. These are the men that will take honor when Biafra finally restored in homeland. Then will be celebrated once they are honest and the truth. Because of this struggle, this movement, we must make this more. You see, this movement of Biafran restoration, it must be something that we have to use truth, honest, for Biafra to come. With propaganda, this one not here, now the other one not here, now the other one not here, now with lies and the forge. It can't work. Trying to, because of what I am exactly seeing right now when our PM is not here. There is a lot of propaganda going on. And when I see this propaganda, I see there is a power tussle. You understand? There is power tussle. This one, everyone wants to use the opportunity now to have their position. You understand? This one wants to use this opportunity to have this position because of, he will say that during the time of our PM, that he wasn't sitting on that position with these destructions, with this confusion they have brought together. So let him use the opportunity and face to one side so that you can get to one position or another. That thing is not what we are here for. This is not what we are here for. We have to work together as one people. We have to work together as one collective people so that we can achieve this goal, that is the freedom of Biafra. Look at what is happening all over the world. Look at what is happening. Fulani herdsmen are rampage. That is why I begin to ask questions. That is why I say, you know why? From what was happening in a Hamo for Ebonyi State, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze didn't tweet any of that thing. Where our men, our mothers, they fueled outside. They were protesting for how many days? Our mothers are protesting for how many days? And nobody said anything. Nobody. I didn't say that Ngozi Orabueze didn't tweet that. He didn't tweet it. Tell me if our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu, were here. If Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu is here, tell me if something like this will happen, brothers and sisters. Tell me. No. The answer is no. It can never happen. If Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu was here, that kind of protest, no. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will tweet, it will go viral. Let me tell you the thing. Because of I am a full follower of Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu. I understand his word. I know what he can do. He can't. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot keep quiet, or he will not tweet. He will not, no way. He will even come out on the live broadcast and say and talk about it. Our mothers, where Fulani herdsmen are raping them, destroying lives and property. Now, all I say, our young youth to Monike. You see that our leader will just go and sit there. No way. But Ngozi Orabueze didn't talk about it. That is where I started asking myself a question. I said, what is going on here? If it's our PM we are here, do you want to tell me that our PM will keep quiet and keep her mouth shut? This kind of rubbish will happen in a harmful that mothers are protesting. He will not tweet about it. He will not talk about it. That one is lie. Ngozi Orabueze now turn not to nchi and taro because of people are complaining about it. She always talk about Deborah. Because of people who are complaining about it, she now trying to divert attention. So that was making me. I started asking questions: is this woman? Is she with us or is she against us? That is my question. Because of this is a movement, though. This is a struggle, and when you call it, this is about life and death. So me bu eziokwu n'ife mgbasara ọnwụ na ndụ na gwa makwa ife a bụ ife mgbasara ọnwụ na ndụ ọ bụghị ife mgbasara ka m defend ife abụọ ife ị ga-asị na this is a political something, let me defend this color or let me defend the other color. No, ndụ nọ here. Ndụ ndị mmadụ achụga aja maka ije nwere onwe. Ndị mmadụ achụga aja tufuo akụ na ụba, tufuo ife niile ka na-achụkwa na-agakwa. So ọ bụghị ife ị ga-abịa na ịbịa sụọ ka ime onye nke otu a ọ ka ime no ọ dịghị here. No, you got that? Because of these things is something that we have to set things straight. We have to set the record straight. We have to set things the way they are. In another, our leader, yes, I will tell you the truth. If you don't like it, if you are the one that own my life, take it. You understand? So truth is something that you must be speaking at all times. It's your propaganda got nowhere. Today now is Saturday. What you'll be hearing, he will run again, he will run again. Mandin na atu ego na atunye. John is ego nda na ebunye ngozi. Kebe ego nda naga, what is she doing it for? Kebe anya etinye ga. And many, I know people, ndengara that recruitment atro online. Napota huo. I know ndengara na napota. Napota that iji recruitment so. Recruitment go and fill form. Many life, many umokorobia, upon and hand to Nike. Of Macanano, here near Kuchisi everything, only up and name and everything. One day, upon and many people into Nike. Nonda Ngozi Orabueze, a lot of things have got wrong. Many things have got wrong. One name, but I call you already. A lot of things have got wrong. You got that? Under Ngozi Orabueze, a lot of things have got wrong because of why. You understand? Why did all these things got wrong? Because of a lot of people have or before Maka. It was a propaganda na face umibo. Even now, every day, to ego. Fundraising. If we ran today, if we ran another Saturday. Up there, and maybe I will PP. Soon if we ran again. Unonga na to ego. Itu chego alagefo. Once you finish contributing, your land is gone. So, okamana imano daho. Eba hega ndaho benye ego. He were gaho roru. Tell me, when our PM will not here, with that kind of thing, many harmful happen. No way. Many things gone down. In a Google account, our people, I don't want to expose a lot of things. I don't want to expose. I have a lot of information that I don't want to really expose. That is why I'm just like cutting. I'm cut a lot of things off. During the there is an account that they were presented online. Homeland account. Ngozi Orabueze ngoputara. You remember when Musa was interviewed in Channels Television? They asked him, Musa, now that Simon Ekpa, he said that they will be tracking the sponsors of IPOP, of these people, that they will be tracking the sponsors. Now they will be tracking the sponsors. Since we have been doing this funding, tell me, Musa have been complaining, have him tell you that, oh, I have get one sponsor or the others? No way, because of we know the way our PM was doing this thing, because of that, because of this kind of thing that is going on. That is why our leader, our supreme leader, said that homeland people will not be participated. But our PM come with time. We know that homeland people need to participate in what we are doing. Nobody come on making it above. But we are doing it. There is a way homeland people we are paying money. Nobody knows. All the give more. But since Ngozo Rabwes and with that account bani huang Bariambo wanine one mother. Ndị mmadụ furu ka mgba eziokwu nke ifuru Musa aha nkwuputere sị na eji mmadụ one na one. Enwere ndị ababugoro that account. Let me tell you something. I know somebody. That account of people who wants your information not there, your phone number, then we track you any place, you know. Except that in us in our home, we transfer you go there. Then we track you down. You got that? That was the plan, because of there wasn't any other plan for them to succeed or to survive what, to get names or to get people. Musa have no means of getting that. But during that account now, that is why I started asking questions. I said, are you with us or you are against us? Because from that account now, Musa now is to nobody knows. Biafra don't know what is happening. So when all these things is going on, you begin to ask yourself questions. You begin to ask questions. What exactly is going on here? You understand? So you know there is something fishing that exactly that is going on. There is something fishing going on. So when this kind of things is going on, you begin to ask yourself important questions and very vital questions. You have to ask yourself. Because of you have to ask yourself, when our prime minister was here, this kind of things is not happening. But now it's gone. What is happening? When the Igbo na say Sarah, Musa we free will, the life of Igbos na easy. The life of Biafras like nothing, like all the Igbo mosquito. Bam. You see, oh, our car, our DOO, our DDD. No. My brother, throw away sentiment away and focus on the reality. The reality is how will the land of Igbo will be defended? How will the land of Biafra will be defended? That is the reality there. That is the reality. Because of you standing there saying, oh, we are with this person. You will be with this person until your land. Look at what is going on here now. Fulani terrorists are now rampaging. They are now rampaging the land of Igbo. You say that you are with this person, you are with that person. Instead of to fund men on the ground, put your money in the right channel. That you know that if you put your money here, this money is going to reach to the people I want them to reach to. That is the only way out. But if you know that you are giving your money where there is no account, you don't know where your money is going. Mr. A, Mr. B, you never follow sheepishly. Ask question. It is better for you channel your money where you can have channel your money where you know that this place is where I have been channeling it before when our prime minister were here. I have been channeling it here. We have been getting results. Brothers and sisters, Igbos, Biafra, why doesn't you do the same? Channel your money in the same place that you have been doing it when our prime minister was here with us. Now, this one want to handle money. You want to handle this. You don't want to hear from nobody. You only want to be. That is why I'm asking. Saying so, Nobody is talking about protest for Mazi Simon Ekpa. No. They're only talking about money. What they are doing, Mazi Simon Ekpa now, our PM, you on your own. That is what they are doing. Indirectly, they are telling this young man that you are on your own. How can people be living this kind of life? If you make mmadụ mgbachi ụkwụ ndị Igbo ebido arapụ ife abịara akọba ife ọzọ ekwu okwu ego ekwu okwu nka ekwu okwu position instead of ịchọ the way a ga-esi kpọpụta Mazi Simon Ekpa our PM ebe ọ nọ ọ bụkwa na Europe ka ọ nọ bụrụkwa na ọ nọ far places asị na ga-ama na otu a ga-esi nye ọmamịrị ka ọ bụ this one not here ikwute okwu ya Ngozi Oraveze doesn't even say something about PM. If she doesn't say nothing, let me tell you the truth. The only thing our PM is doing fine, this is doing good, everything is fine. Hey, finish government. No, my man. I want him. Don't tell us rubbish, my man. During our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we fight. One mother, the whole world mana eji mmadụ. Ọbụrụ nke ị ga-abịa na Ejito Simon Ekpa, due to na gị na-abalị ihe ekwugo okwu before pụọ, you see, yes, this is your time, this is your opportunity, accomplish your mission. No, I don't stand on that rubbish. No. That is why you can never see any Biafra. Ekutoku protest Mazi Simon Ekpa here. Ekutoku protest for PM. Nobody said nothing. Ngozi got mute. He will not say anything. He will say freelance government our attorney, this and that is doing that. And then Fred is it the kind of life you want to live, my brothers and sisters? Lives with lies, deceit. It's taking you nowhere, brothers and sisters. It's taking us nowhere. The only way we can achieve this goal, we can achieve what we want, we must to stand on the truth. Call things by their name. Call the things by their name. If somebody do wrong, when somebody call ya, ask now or you might and I'm call the person. When somebody you know stop saying that no, Ali Bonana. Fulani take our land. Now destroying. The protest. For me, you see the Biafran government where we are before, not before. That is where we are still standing. Because of when we are talking about, we are now a nation. Moment. You can't build a nation on top of a nation. You can't stay in another man's country and be saying that you are now a nation. No. And you cannot get what you want without international community seeing the result coming out from the ground. Without the result on the ground, nothing you are talking about. Nobody's going to listen to you. If you listen to the Congress people, when they were discussing, go to my videos. I am posting all these videos. Listen to the congressman. He told you that they are hoping, listen carefully, that they are hoping that American government will put Nigerian government back to CCP, or the killing continues. Because of if they put them back in the CCP, and now it will carry sanction. So, but if American government didn't do that, moment, they have told you they don't have no option. Better for you to do something for yourself. It's better for you to fight for yourself and defend your land. Because of if you are there saying that, oh, let me wait, international community, they are going to bring this one come. They are going to bring the other one come. You will wait till that kingdom come. Nothing will happen to you, brothers and sisters. If you made on wiggle, Karagama. So if I know myself, you got more work first. You got more what you can do for yourself first. In other, before now, but you will do it first. You must do something. That is what men on the ground. That is what Butuzo and his general are doing. That is what Butuzo, and his all the commanders from Yahoo, from all of them on the ground there that is doing the job with the honest and the truth. That is what they are doing. Without pressure on the ground, nothing you are saying, nobody will listen to you. You must put the pressure for people will begin to ask questions. It's just like something that our leader used to say. He said that if two people are fighting now, you come now, you see two people, they are fighting. One is beating one, the other one is not saying anything. It's just beating him. When people come, then we pass. When somebody comes, it will pass you. But when you are beating that person, he's beating you back. You are beating him, he's beating you back. Now people, you'll be forced for somebody to come and say, what is happening? What is going on here? You understand? But when somebody is beating you, you keep quiet. Nobody's going to ask you. You must fight back. That is the only thing. Because of, if you don't defend this land that God has given, one name matter. Listen, let me tell you, jihad have come. It's a must. All these one, you people are here waiting for your politician. All your politicians, they are all handicapped. Let me tell you, look at you. They are all handicapped. You are, which one? All these people are puppets to Fulanis. They are handicapped. They can't do nothing. So, your freedom is in your hand. Your land is in your hand. Look at what is happening. What they are doing now, they are making sure that the youth are running away out of the country, out of their villages. When they run out of their villages, who is occupying it? Fulanis. Occupying your land. When you are running to Lagos, you are running to Ghana, you are running to Senegal, you are running to everywhere, where they are busy occupying your land. Ndibo. And your governor also, senators also, political leaders, all those ones are handicaps. They can't say nothing. No, they can't say nothing. All they can, Fulani have tied those ones and keep them there. And they're counting days for them. If anything should happen tomorrow now, they will be number one now. You'll be seen in the mosque. These are religious leaders and the political leaders. You'll be seeing them running inside mosques, knocking their head and their this and the ground. And that is the people that you want to trust your life with. You want to trust yourself with. You want to trust your freedom with. People who doesn't have respect. People who doesn't know what humanity is all about. Who doesn't know what is regard. They don't have no regard for themselves, talk less of having regard for you as a person. That is the kind of politicians you want to trust. Your name will be sorry. The only way out, I have told my people, I am telling this to Biafra, I am telling this to Igbos, the only way out in this mess, brothers and sisters, rise up on your 2 feet. People who are speaking, people who are not speaking, some people, they say, just like what the bishop said. He said that whether he speak the truth, he will still die. Whether he didn't speak the truth, that he will see that. So why wouldn't he speak the truth and die with the truth? So you must speak the truth. Because of whether you like it or you don't like it, my man, if you don't defend your land, you are running away. When you run away from your land, run to somewhere else. Go to somewhere. Look at what is happening to Plateau people. People that have taken from IDP camp now. They are now asking, they are now begging to go back to their land. There is no more way. They are not planning for them to take them somewhere in IDP camp. What of the ancestral land? It's gone, brothers and sisters. When you are waiting for international communities. Instead of you to rise as a youth, instead of you to rise to defend your land, you are there doing all this fishy baka. Opera our leader. Yes, or no fishy baka. Please, as you are listening to this our program, please do us a favor. Subscribe to this very channel. Share our video. Like our video. As you are doing that, you are encouraging us on this very platform so that we can continue the gospel of truth. That is the thing that you will see. The best way for you, the youth, rise up. For how long we'll be running? Let's defend this land. Let's contribute money to the channel that our triple general, General Butuzo, them are getting money. Let channel, that channel they are using to get money. All of them have said it. Even Holy Ghost said it. Even Holy Ghost have said it. He said that they have one channel, which is that channel is where everybody have to channel their money into. Iwerukwa ego na-enye ndị mmadụ ewere ego na-agba kalụkalụ nke a gbasakwara gị because if you were ego gbacha kalụkalụ anaga your land is gone. Understand? And nobody are going to hold responsible because of you refuse to do what you have to do at the right time. And the men and the women on the ground volunteering their life to defend that land, who have chosen that they are better instead of Nkogo, instead of Ujishi, not Kaman and Kogo. No, the men and the women now for them to talk instead of Fulani where I know to our leaders will not Kaman on your. Instead of you to support those men, instead of you to impress those men, you are there saying that, oh, this one falling good, this one. The most priority for you, whether you are falling in or you are falling out, the most priority for you, make sure that the land of Biafra, make sure that your money doesn't go to Ebage Channel your money at the right source. Which that source that they have been receiving money when our PM were here. That is what I'm trying to say. Any other source, I don't know. Go to that source that we used to give our men money before when our PM was there, which is Ogenkere, is managing. Go there, channel your money there, and put your money there. We will be observing, we will be watching what is happening there. So that is the right place for you to put your money. That is what I am encouraging you as a Biafran, as an Igbo. Please, men and the women, join hands together. Let's free our land. Let's liberate our people. Let's free our people from this jihadist Fulani terrorist country. Please contribute in that direction where we have been doing it before when our peer was there, which is Biafran government in exile. That channel, that is the right channel to channel your money so that if you want your land to be defended, to be rescued, to be protected, channel your money there. Channel your money there. Somebody who said he's gonna rent to do it, he's gonna rent you another day. Or they can if you're on one August meeting, if you are and marry me from no one the freedom if you are an on the homeland, or if you then come, or be from one. You got that? Oh, my birthday. My man, we don't come here to do nonsense. For freedom, can you go with? It's in my August meeting. It's in my women meeting. Una got somewhere. Men, women with better. Ever name me. If I be friend, man. My couple if I'm to know. That is why I'm saying it. Upon her, Abia, if you want you to and I gossip and I rubbish, say that name fundraising. And I said, no, you can't, Madam, oh, you shut up. You do. My man, you know, team August meeting. God, I know who I ban. God, I know who no. I don't want to insult you, but God, I know who I know. Please, Biafrans, make sure channel your money at the right channel. Please, let's leave gossip. As you are getting our video, make sure subscribe to this channel, share our videos to every other platform. As you are doing that, I say may God, may Chukwu Okike Abiama bless you and bless whatever you are doing. Please, our new subscriber, people who watch us and doesn't subscribe to our channel, how are you going to help us in this very channel? When you are not subscribing, you are not commenting, you are not liking, so you are not giving us the courage. So give us the courage by doing what? Subscribe, comment, and like, and join us in this very platform anytime we are live, so you'll be notified and you join us and we can interrupt. As you are saying that, I say may God, may Chukwu Okike Abiama bless you. From me, from here is good evening.